This one's called duck feathers. Have you ever heard somebody tell you, to just like let things roll off your back like duck feathers, but then they kind of do it in a gaslighting way? Like, come on, like don't be so sensitive. Just let it roll off your back. The song's about that, but specifically about my ex.
Do it.
Destiny. I can take a win or loss to reach my destiny. I can keep my eye, a promise but a lie. You say I'm nothing but you wanna keep my eye. I don't wanna be your fucking novelty. Your possibility, differences I cannot set me free. I was out in the field, a bird to try and kill. Tell me as I'm laughing that you love to secret cats and another on the run. An ultimatum, but I can't hit 'em. It's preposterous the way you flex and run. You give me the better, so I replace my skin together, just like you. I will take you in and give you some of my pity. A little thinking, how about I'm shrinking? I have been quietly self-deceiving. Will you give me that so I replace my skin with goodbye, the wells run dry. Time for me to take that Thank you very much. You guys are amazing.